In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube channel easy, quick, entirely with your phone. This applies to iPhones and Android. I manage multiple YouTube channels, but this one right here, Andrea Jean Cleaning, at almost 500,000 subscribers, allowed me to quit a corporate job and become a full-time content creator in less than 2 years. And I started this channel entirely on my phone. First thing that you want to do is go to Safari or Chrome, it doesn't really matter, and go to youtube.com. Type that in, you can see down here. Do not go into the YouTube app. If your phone tries to route you into the YouTube app, I'm going to link a video in the description box below about how to get the desktop version of YouTube. This is exactly where you want to be with your little avatar right here looking blank. Click on that. It's going to ask you to sign in. You will need a Gmail account if you do not have one. I will link a video in the description box below for you. Sign in. And you can see my avatar has changed right here on the top right hand side. This is what we want. Now if you click your avatar here on the top right hand side, you may have an option that says create channel. If you have that option, click it. If yours looks like mine, have no fear. On iPhone, you're going to click these two A's you can see here on the bottom left-hand side. If you are an Android, you should have 3 dots, usually here on the top right-hand side, that you're going to click. I'm going to click the A's, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to request the desktop site. And it's going to look like this. Kind of a mess, but this is where you need to be. Now, from your avatar, you want to go ahead and click that here on the top right-hand side. And then you're going to go into this little gear icon that says settings. And it's going to take you to this page right here. I know it is so small, but you want to click add or manage your channel. It's the middle one you can see right here under my name, Andrea Jean Cleaning, the Google account that I'm under. And if you need to make it bigger, just use your fingers to expand it. So right there. Now you can see all the YouTube channels that I have. Many of them are tester channels. I have 4 main ones. Here you want to select create a channel. Now because you have done it this way, it'll allow you to create a brand account, a business account. This is 100% what you want because you can put as many characters in here as you want for your name rather than just your first name or your last name if it's a business account. Also, at some point in time as your YouTube channel grows, you will want people to help you manage your YouTube channel without giving out your Google username and password. A brand account is where it's at. It's hard to switch between the two, so follow these steps and you will have everything that you need. Now, when it comes to creating a YouTube channel name, you totally get to decide. You can use your first name, you can use your last name, you can use none of the above. If you check out any of my YouTube channels, you will see the names of all of them just to give you some ideas of what I've decided to do. Let's go ahead and name our super cool channel. We're going to say super fun channel test. There we go. Make sure you click this I understand that I'm creating a new Google account. Then click create. Your phone may ask you what you want to open it up with. I like Safari. Click done. A couple of things to be aware of. Make sure you are in the desktop version of YouTube so that you can create that channel. Once you've done everything, go ahead now into the YouTube channel application. You can do it this way if you want to. You can see there is our brand new YouTube channel with the little S right here. If I wanted to switch account by clicking this arrow, you can see all of my other YouTube channels. If this is your first time, you will only see one. But again, click that avatar on the top right-hand side. Now you're going to go into your channel. Dun, da, da, da. There is your YouTube channel with no subscribers and no videos. You can manage videos. Here you can change a bunch of things. Did you see I clicked this little pencil icon? You can change your YouTube channel name. You can upload channel banner art. I will link a video in the description box below about how to do awesome banner art for free. You can add a description to tell your viewers what the YouTube channel is about. You can upload a profile picture just like so. If you click that, you can do take a photo, choose from your photos. Now when it's time to upload a video for the world to see, you can go ahead and click this create option right here where you can upload a video, the second option. I'm going to link a video in the description box below that shows you exactly how to upload a video so that it will get found by more people. All those videos I talk about are linked in the description box below to help you super easy. Also, click this playlist on screen now. It's your beginner's guide to starting on YouTube and making money with your efforts. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.